Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm super excited mainly because a new Windows 10 Insider build 20170 is on the horizon. The update was announced to Windows Insider in the dev channel back in July. Something to note is that Windows Insiders with PCs that have AMD processors will not be offered this build due to a bug impacting overall usability of these PCs. The issue should be fixed in the next Friday, announced Microsoft. Enough of the talk, let's check what's new in this new build.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Improving your sound setting experience. Windows have been bringing more capabilities forward into the settings, and this update comes with one of them. Now, when you receive this update, you can navigate to Settings, System, Sound, Manage Sound Devices. From here, you will know which sound device is default, and if you want to check the default device, the update enables you to do exactly that and with ease. The volume mixer link. When you open the volume mixer, you'll find a link that will take you directly to audio settings per app. This will help you to redirect audio endpoints per app. Microsoft has promised more changes in this area, so stay tuned. Improving search from the taskbar in Windows 10. Previous Windows updates has seen two improvements to the search bar that makes it even easier to find what you need. Now, when you click on search in the taskbar or press the Windows key +S, you will view an updated design for search home. A new two-column layout offers easy readability, as well as fast access to quick searches, where you can see local weather, top news, and more helpful info. To find other web results or navigate directly to a website, just type in the search like you did normally. You will notice a new settings icon in this build. The new settings icon can now be seen in the Start menu tiles. To improve readability, Microsoft are temporarily turning off Notepad's ability to persist open windows across restarts and updates. And as it is the norm, Microsoft will keep on fixing the issues experienced in the previous updates. And in this update, they have worked hard to fix several issues, one of them being an issue resulting in flickering when resizing certain apps when snapped side by side in tablet mode. Switching gears to mobile phones, if you use the Microsoft Launcher just like me, this is great news. Microsoft has rolled out the new Microsoft Launcher version 6 to everyone. The new launcher is built on Codebase, allowing multiple new features to users such as news, landscape mode, customizable apps icons, being supported wallpaper, dark theme, and greater performance improvements. If you are yet to download this launcher, you can download it from your Google Play Store. However, your phone should meet this minimum requirement. Your phone should be running at least Android version 7.0 or higher. So if you're running any version that is lower than 7.0, you will not be able to receive the new Microsoft Launcher version 6. However, there are several noted issues with this launcher. For instance, native Android 10 navigation gestures may not work for all phone manufacturers and models. System dark theme is supported on devices with Android 8.0 and above. And notification bugs may need to be enabled again after version 6 upgrade. And that's it for this video. Hope the video was helpful. Kindly check out for these new features, and I hope they'll help you in your computing life. See you in the next one.